No, don't splash it. You can make the juice, but don't splash it.
And how long has the macaw walked? Bobo here can't fly. But he's a bird. Not all birds fly.
Don't splash it around.
Well, not technically.
Homemade grapefruit juice. No, put it back in there. No, no splashing. Just juicing. There you go. Get all the juice out. No, put it back in the bowl. Bless you. Wow. Well, that's your juice. I wonder if that's what happens in Tropicana too. You making juice, sweetie? There you go. Get the juice out. Get it out. Get all the juice out. Get it out. Get it out. Get the juice out. No, don't sing it out. Get the juice out. Get it out. Get it out. Get it out. Yeah, but you got to keep it here. Oh my gosh, it feels like an octopus. There you go. Get it all out. There you go. There you go. My own little juicer. Forget Jack LaLanne. I got a rain of joy.
Oh, yeah? What's in it for us?
Yeah, but keep it in the bowl. Get the juice out, Arena. Get the juice out. Squeeze it out. Squeeze it out. Squeeze the juice out. Squeeze the juice out. Squeeze it out. Get that juice out. Squeeze it out. Squeeze the juice out. Squeeze it out. Squeeze it out. There you go. There you go. You're wearing more than you actually even ate. Squeeze it. Squeeze it. Squeeze it. Squeeze it out. Squeeze it out. Squeeze it out, Arena. Squeeze it out. Yay. Squeeze it out. Squeeze it out. Squeeze it out. Get it out. Get the juice out. Get the juice out. Okay, no splashing. No splashing. Squeeze it out, though. Squeeze it out. There you go. Okay. Okay. That isn't the grapefruit soap.